Well, hey everybody, it's Sean.
And Angie.
And we're back in Long Beach, and this time we've got the panorama sitting behind us.
Woohoo!
And we learned a few things today. You know, we've been here 3 times in the last couple of months. Up until now, we've been able to park in the parking garage right here adjacent to the terminal.
Right.
Not this time. As a matter of fact, they're not allowing anybody to park in it. It is totally blocked off, and they're sending everyone off-site.
Yeah, even if you're handicapped.
Yeah.
Lights.
So, I mean, live and learn. Certainly glad it's not a back-to-back cruise.
Well, and I'm glad that we have been here before and knew where to meet up. We had already prior discussed where we were going to meet up if Sean had to drop us off, and that went very smoothly. And you could see that there was some people that it didn't go as smoothly. I saw a gentleman come back. He must have been on the shuttle with you, and he was on the phone. Where are you? I don't know where you are. So those things can be frustrating. So I'm glad we knew what we were kind of doing.
They can certainly add to the anxiety level, and things went fine. One thing that I did learn is the parking garage here charges $26 a day. We know that because we just paid for a 5-day cruise. The offsite parking is $20, so you actually save a little bit of money to do the offsite parking.
Well, that's nice. You know, bonus.
Yeah, it would have been over $240 for the 8-day cruise to park here, and it was $180 over there.
There you go.
Well, close to $240. I mean, I'm not doing the math in my head.
How many cocktails is that?
Yeah. Anyways, well, we left my mom sitting over there, and we're gonna go get through, you know, Embarkation, and we'll be on the ship soon. So
yeah.
And this will be finishing up the trifecta down here, all 3 ships.
Yes.
So come along. Well, we made it through security and onto the ship, and we're here at Pig and Anchor. So let's go get some chow. See? Dun, dun, dun. Ready? Need to have the steward make up Mom's bed. So this is room 10203 here on the Panorama. I would suspect that it's very similar to its sister ships, the Vista and the Horizon. And we'll give a little tour. Got some jacks over here on the wall. You've got a couple of 110s, got 2 USBs right there, and then this is the European jack that we're utilizing with that adapter to give us a few more outlets, because unfortunately there aren't any USB outlets over here on the lamps like some of the other ships that have undergone some recent dry docks. There's no USBs up above. But you do have light switch there, or light switches on either side. This particular room has a single sofa bed, which is obviously made up there. And I guess you can call it what it is. You've got some storage here and a safe, 3 drawers, but you only have 1 hanging closet right there. That's fridge right there. And Angie's, what are you doing there, Ange?
I'm trying to detangle Christmas necklaces.
Because we're on Christmas cruise, right?
Right. Well, you know, we don't use them often, so.
So we're going to move Roger the Rabbit up into our window. Of course, we have our quasi-personal lanai right here on the front of the ship. I'm going to take you out the door, take you right out to there. Walk right here. We come right here. And we're out on our own somewhat private lanai. Oh yeah. Can do a little Jack and Rose right there at the front of the ship if they want it. Somebody want it? No, I actually don't think they allow that. So what is that, Angie?
The barbecued salmon from Emerald's. It smells good.
He is your captain. Please welcome the incredible Captain Carlo!
You can do much better. You can do much better. And now, all the way from Italy, your captain, Carlo! You see.
What are you doing?
We've spent the last 2 days sailing 1,000 nautical miles down here to Puerto Vallarta, and a lot of people have emptied the ship. Yesterday we came up here to the Serenity Deck and actually took a little bit of time to secure us a lounger. It was packed up here, and for reasons of privacy, I try not to film when there's a lot of people around in bathing suits, just trying to be considerate. But today, Angie and I have come up here, and we are the only ones up here on the Serenity Deck. I've just been corrected that there's people on that side in the hot tub. Okay, well, we're one of just a few people up here. So that there, those folks, whoever they are definitely in a different tax bracket than we are. Just, wow. And we have the Norwegian Jade next to us. Well, we just returned from spending the entire afternoon up on the Serenity Deck, and we have a penguin! Woohoo! Elevator dance! Elevator dance! Wah! Well, we just got off the ship, spent a little time walking around buying some baubles in Mazatlán, got back to the room, and look at that. Happy birthday. And we got our laundry, and we got a puppy that we'll move over into our towel animal zoo over there.
Happy birthday, dear Diane. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Make a wish and make sure it's expensive. Expensive wish.
Thank you. Look, Amber Tyler, no line at all. Good morning. Maybe we planned that pretty well. Getting off the ship and gonna head in to Cabo. Captain Robert's gonna take us out to the arch. Come on. Yes. You see it? Water comes out. There's the arch, Mom. Well, I just came back to our room after spending a little time out on the Lido deck. And we have a dinosaur, and our laundry has returned. This little thank you from Em, our stateroom attendant. And our, guess I won't move him over there to our towel animal farm. But I think I've mentioned this. This is one of the tricks of the trade, the expandable bungee clothesline. We've spent the last 7 days in this room very comfortably. Let me just give you just a quick rundown tour. So this is a picture window ocean view, and it's been awesome. I mean, we've got a view right out the front of the ship there. And literally that deck, I mean, any time during our cruise, just a couple of steps away, literally, and it's almost like a great big balcony of our own. I mean, we have met a few people out there. So if you're interested in coming on the Panorama, which we're on, and I'm sure it's similar to the other two Vista-class ships, the Horizon and the Vista, these front cabins, they've almost become a favorite of ours since we were put into this cabin. I mean, certainly it's not much more money to do the upgrade to the ocean view, and this cabin is certainly spacious. A lot like the ocean view cabin that we had on the Radiance on our trip a couple of weeks ago. I am liking the outlay of these instead of the more squared off boxy style, but we're going to have an opportunity to spend some time in a variety of different cabins on different ships over the next 5 months, where we have 13 more cruises booked between now and May so that we can reach Diamond. Carnival Diamond Chase. Well, if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel to see more cruise content and RV content. Thanks for watching.
It's windy out here, right?